Hold it. You got it? Okay, I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm gonna demonstrate.
Oh, wow.
And there you go. Can you go in close? Go closer, closer. Sorry, I didn't touch your butt.
Oh, wow.
And then zoom out.
Zoom out.
There you go.
Oh, wow, Manny. Check it out.
What do you think of your ear, Justin?
I like it.
It looks so natural. Turn around.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Been waiting a long time.
So how does it stay magnet? It's like a magnet or something?
Yes. It's magnets.
Oh, wow.
Can you stand up, Dustin?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You can't even
Turn
tell.
your head that way.
You can't even tell.
Turn your head the other way. Can you take it off for me too? Turn toward me and take it off. Carefully.
Oh, wow.
And there you go. Let me see it. Hold it in your hand.
Oh, wow.
Awesome.